At We Felt It, we don't just make modifications for walkers and canes. We 3D print them for your comfort and mobility. If it's not you, I'm willing to bet that you know someone using a cane or walker regularly. And if so, then you know how my grandfather felt when daily use of a walker caused more problems than it solved. His solution? The Octoglide, a fully rotational 8-sided base that extends the lifespan of walkers and canes, with simple installation to pop it right on or off the device. Since his business was passed down to me, it's my mission to provide affordable and comfortable modifications to all users of a mobility device. After conducting prototyping, product testing, and 30 customer interviews across the Houston area, I found that so many of the 10 million Americans with long-term disabilities face daily discomfort and unnecessary expenses while accommodating the use of their cane or walker. While insurance companies only consider the device medically necessary, any modifications to it are an out-of-pocket expense, leaving makeshift solutions the go-to when they only slap a Band-Aid on the problem. Tennis balls, for example, last approximately 3 to 6 weeks with daily use and can cost up to $120 a year in replacements. Imagine paying $85 after insurance to get your new cane and then having to spend another $120 to make it comfortable. Lasting an average of 8 weeks, the Octoglide promises to save you 50% of these expenses. We felt the need, and we go straight to the source by 3D printing a design that is customized to the needs of each customer. Simply visit our website and sign up for a free consultation. After you approve the design, we manufacture it in-house and your modification will be shipped within 3 to 5 business days. We believe in constant improvement, and a post-service survey will help us to better serve the needs of our customers through personalized follow-ups, unlike our big box competitors. And with direct-to-consumer sales, there's no hassling with insurance companies and prior authorizations. We Felt It provides long-term solutions for a fraction of the cost. We Felt It is currently in the prototyping phase and testing the product to achieve the ideal design iteration. We're seeking mentorship in manufacturing, industrial engineering, and business development. Thank you for being here today and helping us realize a world where freedom isn't held back by long-term disabilities.